Very good morning, students. Sai welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I will start a new chapter. Can anyone guess what is the topic name? Yes, when you will see this slide, you will get the topic name, isn't it? Can you say? Very good. The topic name is percentage. That chapter number 12, percentage. Okay, children. So this lesson we will study about what is mean by percentage, how you will calculate the percentage. Okay, are you ready? Shall I start now? Say here children, percentage means a percentage. It is a symbol of percentage. Okay, is a fraction expressed as a part of 100. Say here one more definition here I have given. In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay, so percentage, it is nothing but there is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction. Fraction means you know, ratio also you know, isn't it children? So can you say fraction means what? It is a part of a number. So this percentage that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Fraction means numerator and denominator. In case see here 2 percentage. 2 percentage means what? 2 upon 100. 5 percentage means 5 upon 100. Okay. So percentage that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay. So second point here you have to see, if we have to calculate percent of a number, divide the number by whole and multiply by 100. Did you get this point children? See here in case, see here your semester. Okay, written mark, that is just you have to take maths. Okay, for example maths written paper 40 marks. Total is what? 40 marks. Isn't it children? So out of 40, here how we in suppose if you are getting 32 marks. If you are getting 32 marks out of 40, you have to find the percentage. How much of percentage you got in maths subject we have to find now. Okay. For that, how we have to find? See here, I will tell you. Yes. If we have to calculate percent of a number, divide the number by whole. That means 32 marks you got, isn't it? Out of what? 40. Out of 40 into and multiply by 100. So if you will do this calculation, you will get the percentage of your maths marks. How you will do? Yes, here this 0 we can cut. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are, yes, 32. Now 8 into 8 tens are what? 80. So in maths you got 80 percentage. Okay children. So if you want to calculate the percent, what we have to do first? Divide the number by whole and multiply by 100. It is so easy. Okay children, when we will solve the sum easily, it will come to know. Shall I start now? Say here, hence the percentage means a part per 100. The word percent means, say here, per, that means per, cent means what? 100. Okay, means per 100. Understood children? It represented by the symbol this one. So just you have to think like this simple, where you will see, where you can see, yes, just see here your class now, that device, computer, this one, mobile, that right corner side, that battery charge, isn't it children? That is 40 percentage. So you can see this symbol in many places. Yes, shall I go to next one now? The symbol of percentage is what? This one. Okay, next one is, see, this is one dam picture here. I have given here that 58 percentage of water is filled. 58 percentage. That means, see here, a percentage is a comparison made with a total which is taken to be 100 parts. To be 100 parts. So 58 percentage is 58 units out of 100 units. So the total capacity of dam is what? 100 units. So out of 100 units, that water is what? 58 percentage. That means 58 units out of 100 units. Okay, so in your mobile, just you have to just imagine 50% charge. Okay, that means out of 100 units, the 50 percentage of a battery is full. Understood now? So we can write, see here, this one 58 percentage, that means 58 units out of 100 units. We can write this as the fraction form, that is 58 upon 100. 58 percentage, how you can write? 58 upon 100. I will give one more example here. Yes, 70 percentage. How will you write in the fraction form? Very good, 70 upon 100. Okay, so if this percentage is there, what we have to do? You have to remove this percentage sign, write this number as it is, upon in denominator place you have to write 100. It is so easy. Okay children, shall we go to next one now? See here, these two important things now we will discuss. First one is percentage in the form of a fraction. So that percentage we have to convert into a fraction form. Next step is what? Just opposite the fraction in the form of percentage. Okay, see here percentage, that means 5 percentage. You have to convert into a fraction form. Okay, and here that fraction form, suppose say here 2 upon 5, this fraction form you have to convert into a percentage. These two things we will discuss now. First one is what? Percentage form we have to convert into a fraction form. Okay, are you ready children? Here I have given some example here. Percentage form we have to convert in the form of a fraction. So example say here 50 percentage. 50 percentage, how you will write a fraction form? You know very well, fraction means what? Numerator and denominator. So what I told, this fraction sign, this percentage sign you remove, that means 50 upon 100. 50 upon 100. Okay, so this is the fraction form. Now you have to think here children, here we can simplify this fraction, isn't it? 50 upon 100. So this 0 we can cut. Next one is what? 5 and 10. Can you get any common factor here? Very good, 5 is the common factor. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5 twos are what? 10. That means 1 upon 2. 50 percentage is equal to what is the fraction form? 1 upon 2. I hope you understood this one. Yes. Second one is what? 75 percentage. 75 percentage. Okay. That means see here first step is what? 75 upon 100. And here see 75 and 100. Can you get any common factor here? Yes, 5 is a common factor, so we can simplify this one, isn't it? That means, see here, 20 5s are what? 100. In 7, how many 5s are there? 1, 5 is there, remainder is what? 2. 25. 25, how many 5s are there? Very good, 5. 15 upon 20. 15 upon 20, here also common factor is there. Yes, 5, isn't it? 3 5s are, yes, 3 5s are what? 15. 4 5s are what? 20. Now 3 upon 4. Hereafter we can't simplify. That means 75 percentage is equal to what? 3 upon 4. Understood now? So this is your question here, percentage form, and here this is your answer, that is a fraction form, 3 upon 4. Okay. Third one is say here 25 percentage. 25 percentage means what here? Very good. 20 upon 25 upon 100. Here also common factor is there. Common factor is what? 5 also there. 25 also common factor. Okay, because this 100, this 1 25s are 25, 4 25s are what? 100. That means 1 upon 4. 25 percentage means 1 upon 4. Fourth one is what here? 35 percentage. 30. First step is what? Very good. 35 upon 100. Can we simplify here? Yes, 35 upon 100. Here we can simplify because this is what 35 and 100. What is the common factor? 5. 35 7 5s are 35 and here 20. That means 7 upon 20. So 35 percentage is equal to what is the fraction form here? 7 upon 20. So I hope you understood. If I am giving some percentage, can you find now that? Can you convert into a fraction form, children? Yes, very good. Shall we go to next one now? Next one is what? Fraction form we have to convert into a percentage form. That is so easy. See, children, see here, second one is what? A fraction in the form of a percentage. Okay, example here, some example here I will teach you. For example, can anyone say the percentage, any one fraction can you say? Suppose I am taking here 3 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 5, this fraction form we have to convert into a percentage form. So already I told percentage means what? It is a fraction. In denominator, which number will be there? Yes, 100. Isn't it, children? So see here, 3 upon 5. This one you have to convert into what? Percentage form. Percentage means what? That a fraction that is in denominator, which number it should be there? 100. So this 5 we have to convert into 100. How you have to convert? Yes, if we will multiply this 5 into 20, we can get what? 5 20s are 100. So when you will multiply here in denominator with 20, that same number you have to multiply with this numerator also. Isn't it? 3 into 20. That means 3 to the what? 3 into 20, that is 60. 60 upon 100, what is the percentage? 60 percentage. Understood now? So children, see here, first what we have to do? The denominator you have to see. The denominator we have to convert into what? 100. So for that, what we have to do? We have to think. Okay. So here we have to multiply this 5 with 20. Then we will get what? 100. So we have to convert this numerator. We have to multiply that numerator also with this 20. That means 3 20s are 60. 60 upon 100 what? 60 percentage. One more easiest method, see here, this 3 upon 5 we have to convert into what? Percentage, isn't it? So 3 upon 5 we have to write into 100. This one is so easy. So here we can cut this 5 and 100 we can cut. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. See here, 3 into 20, that is what? 60. So 60 percentage. So children, in your textbook this method is there and this is the easiest method. Okay, so which one you want, that you have to do. You have to follow. Understood, children? One more example here I will give. One more example is, see here. Yes, 7 upon 20. Okay, 7 upon 20. This is a fraction form. You have to convert into what? Yes, percentage. So here what I told, very good, denominator we want 100. So this 20 we have to multiply with 5. So that same 5 here also you have to write. 7 5s are what? 35. 20 into 5, that is 100. So 35 upon 100 is equal to what? 35 percentage. Or one more method, can you solve that method? 7 upon 20 into, here what will come? Very good, 100. Okay, so 20 ones are 20, 25s are 100. That is 7 5s are what? 35 percentage. I hope you understood this one. One more sum also I will teach you here. Yes, that fraction is what? 4 upon 25. Okay, 4 upon 25, what you have to do? We have to convert into the form of percentage. So for that, first method is what? 25. Here 4 will come, is equal to, here denominator side what we have to write? 100. So 25 into dash is equal to 100. Can you say 4? 25 fours are 100. So that same number we have to multiply with numerator also. Isn't it, children? 4 fours are 16. So what is the percentage here? 16 percentage. 4 upon 25 is equal to 16 percentage. Okay. And one more thing, another method. 4 upon 25 into what we have to write? Very good, 100. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. 4 fours are 16. That means 16 percentage. So if you will use any method here, you can get that same answer, final answer. So which method is easy for you, that method you can follow. Okay, children. So this session, what we discussed about what is meant by percentage. How we have to calculate that percentage of a given number. That also I have told. Isn't it, children? So and the next one is what? That 1% form. How we have to convert into a fraction. Otherwise, one more thing, that fraction form, how we have to convert into a percentage form. So children, you have to do practice in your home. Okay. So this lesson only one exercise is there. So that next session I will teach you that exercise, that all sums, that is word problem only. Okay, children. So if you are familiar about this fraction convert into a percentage, or percentage form you have to convert into a fraction, then only it will be easy to solve that word problem. So children, here one thing I will tell you, here you have to do practice. Some percentage or some fraction you have to write, and you have to convert into that percentage form or fraction form. You have to do practice in your home. Okay, children. So I hope you understood this session. Yes, thank you, children. Saira.